Hey, what's up? Welcome back. So, here again, first time of the year, Spring Carlisle. It's a really awesome show. As you can see, legit 86 acres of car parts. So, super awesome, fun show. I hope you enjoy it, and I'm going to be showing you some cars, so stay tuned. Nice Rio Speedwagon. Hey, the band was so good they named a truck after him. Here's a 1971 MG Midget with a 59 Austin Healey Bug-Eye front end on it. Nice clean car. C1 Corvette. First gen Mustang. Nice pony package interior. Jaguar. Nice old Chevy truck. Pontiac Firebird. Chevy Chevelle. Got big block Chevy in it. 69 C3 Vet. Neat 51 Ford F1.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us at our
nice truck.
Weekend.
Hudson Jet 4-door sedan. I want to say it's 54, but I'm not too sure. But nice car. 37 Willys. Neat car. Ford F-250 bump side. Nice clean truck. Got an FE in it. 50 Ford Coupe. Got flathead 8 in there, just purring away, running good. A 1934 DeSoto Airflow. Really cool, rare car. And some amazing aerodynamics for its time period. A 69 Ford Olsenette. It's cool, I've honestly never seen any of these vans. A supercharged inline 6. That's just slightly lowered a little bit. Very unique truck. Okay, so this is Bill. What truck do you have?
Hey, how's it going, guys? This is a 1986 Chevy Suburban that we have here. It's got an LT1 swap, all LED lights. It's a drop kit. It's got a 6.4 drop all the way around. Fresh paint. It's a Florida truck, no rot or rust. Probably one of the cleaner painted ones I've seen in a while. So, you're up here to buy a nice truck here at Carlisle.
Okay, nice. What transmission is it?
It's got a 700 R4 with a 12-bolt posi rear end in it.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
What'd you do for suspension?
It's got a McGaffrey 6.4 drop. It's got a 2-inch drop spindle in the front. It's got all replacement brake lines, all replacement brakes. The truck's pretty much been gone through from the front to back. You know, we tucked the bumpers in the front and the rear. We ran the exhaust through the rear. It's got all new exhaust through the underneath the side of the truck. Real clean original interior. Just kind of did the truck up so it'd be a nice driver for somebody.
Okay. Did you do all the work yourself?
Yeah, we did all the work in-house at our shop. It's the truck's out of New Hampshire, and the shop's Limitless Rod and Custom out of Rochester, New Hampshire.
Okay. Well, that's nice. Thank you.
All right, thanks, buddy.
We got a couple of 67 to 72 Chevy pickups. This one here is a 69 chopped roof, Vortec LS in it. 42 Chevy, 47 Chevy, Ford Dent Side 1977, and a GMC square body. The 1932 Ford AA 1-ton dump truck. Nice truck, got cool patina on it. There's a nice old sprint car with a small block Chevy in it. An MG Midget. There we go. Willys CJ2A. Oh, even got a rear PTO on it. That's 79 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive. 67, 72 Chevy. Chevy Apache, 1958. Got I6 in it. 79 Ford F-150 long bed four-wheel drive. Ford LTD. 69 Mustang Coupe. 73 Mustang. It's rare you don't see convertibles in that body style very often. Another looks like 71 Mustang. Again, the notchback is pretty rare. These Ford four-door Bronco. Ford F-250, it's like 79. Hey friends, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Really fun, got a good interview with Bill. And so please like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time.